Okay.
Excellent. Wolfgang, welcome to the EV Expo.
Well, Simone, thanks for having us.
No worries. And so eMotion Concepts, you're here at the EV Expo. Tell me a little bit about your product.
Okay. So eMotion Concepts is looking actually mostly at the commercial markets in their first instance.
Yep.
So we are looking at the last mile transport of people and goods. And we have, and we're concentrating there mostly on actually three-wheelers. And the reason for that is basically that three-wheelers are legal in Australia, up to 50 kilometers an hour. They can be driven in Queensland, in some other states with a car license, and in New South Wales and Victoria, they have to have a bike license. But at the moment, this is one of our vehicles, which is the CT Cargo. Mainly targeted at the delivery market of small parcels through e-commerce, and we see quite a nice future in them, with the increase of e-commerce. And the other things we have more recently are the electric mobility scooters, which again, just to be different, have three wheels. But that gives us the opportunity actually to lean into the corners, and we also have a seating position, where basically our mantra is here, why stand when you can sit?
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And so I guess the benefit of having the three-wheeler is that it's more compact, so you're easy to zip around traffic and pull into places where you need to do deliveries, is that right?
Yes. I mean, first of all, it's an electric vehicle, and it's a small electric vehicle which has high agility, but at the same time, we have enough cargo space. In this particular instance, we have got 1,400 liters or 1.4 cubic meters, which is still very good for the last mile delivery, particularly for supermarkets and grocery deliveries, or when you need a carton of beer, because that doesn't fit on your normal scooter.
So are there options in regards to keeping it hot or keeping it cool?
Yes, the whole compartment basically can be constructed or can be what the hell is
like so fitted basically?
Yes, sorry. Basically we can have it as a cold room with refrigeration, but we can also fit a 250 watt solar panel on top.
Okay, excellent. So that will just help with the upkeep of the heating or the cooling.
That's right. Maybe it doesn't too much for the actual mileage, but any other equipment which is needed can actually be supported by that.
Great. Okay. So, and where do you see that these vehicles, or your business, I guess, is going in the next couple of years?
Well, we hope that the last mile transport will become more and more non-ICE, because obviously there's a hard push for better air quality in the cities, and at the moment, we have so many diesel trucks, so many deliveries, which are done with not emission-free vehicles, and that's where we see a great advantage.
Excellent. And how you found the response at the EV Expo?
Oh, fantastic! We had lots of trials with our three-wheel scooters, mobility scooters, and we have a lot of response about the concept of the transport, of the urban transport side.
Excellent. So our next EV Expo is actually going to be in Melbourne. Would you be interested in attending our Melbourne?
Oh, absolutely. We have been in Brisbane last year, and this year in Sydney. We're happy to go to Melbourne.
That's fantastic. And are you looking for distributors of your product as well?
Yes. At the moment, we have an expression of interest out for distributors across Australia for our products. We're looking for distributors or for end dealers. And we would love to get anyone involved in this area to contact us.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks, Simone. Pleasure.
Thank you.